Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye-bye.
Sister, on a good afternoon. Happy New Day. I beg this message. I want me to go give Ivie the public dog. Ivie, où est Ivie day? Où est Ivie day? Où est Ivie sagin? Où est Ivie Où est Ivie sagin? Dan. Me ma wana wash we vie. Ave manu we me ma we vie day. Ivie walk by Facebook ya na gbo ya na mi we. E destiny bagwa mi we ne. Ave actress ya fefe actors ya fefe no re Edo State. Iya ya mi we ne. Abe mo na listing.
If you open our chat, so first if you don't even say, maybe you go scroll down. Now still down my picture where still the night go day. Because we are not.
If you bogunu we walk by Facebook. O walk by Facebook na ikaka mo ebede na we iya na igbiju e omunya we o ma jere ya o ma pick sense wonu ya wan egbo e. Epa Edimofi social media president epa domo epa lawowo o ma bere o wa we ni no wa la ni iya wo ma atiti ne a lu enwa o ma bere o wa we no la ni nu ki ukiro na zen no la o ukiro no so la o ukiro no ababela o epa be careful be very very careful because even soro ya oni agu we ku ni ado ya understand the way ni ya understand the way ya na lele we ku they don't really love you me yogi me ya wane me even visitor wo wa me ile lo pe aku ile lo hoku ave ma ya ni yen before that I have a good heart. Yes, igele wa me good heart. Till tomorrow ye me good heart. When mani wese na ave mani me maye de ne dio wa me do kama me wese o salo boy gi wese ni na ave mani me ka wa me wa vie yakwa because un dan bon se wo ni hian de no do sike we no do hon toto we no me ke na on toto we no me ke na do pike mi kenuje ogwa lo no me ke na ya attack yan any wa tie we ni tie we my love you love you we gbe animal love you we epa. I'm telling you, be careful of people. People are wicked. They will come to you to come and look at. When I ran in 2017, 2016, I give you no Dana Rojekia one of Benjo with the Australia, Yekia one of Australia. Oh, I get go epa pala wo yo salobo we be careful. Be careful the kind of people oh yeah gbe kan pa ika we can lovely na be ya imi agberegbe. And very soon me when you are dealing with people me are dealing with someone egbon ma be na long distance relationship me here go awu because I have know the kind of person she is because egbon ma be na una lele ku because she's a psycho. She's sick upstairs on no kwon mi no egbe mara vie kwon mi. So egbon no dey psycho na far distance agu lele ku ma bege na wa ma egu na mi yakara kwa unu epa be careful epa be careful yen you are a very good man with a good heart. Be careful the kind of people you talk to. Be careful because if you na yo when you yo gwe do hon to we yen ga lelu we ko o ma lele ga emanite mommy emanite sister mommy, you have to be very very careful with those kind of people. They are dangerous. It's okay. You are lucky if your mommy was done, because I mean, I'm not even psycho now. I mean, no kianu. If no one like you, you my way. You my me you. Understand? Because he can't win a vanine. If you know what like you, a minute in you. You my me you. They have lost. They are lost. You me. If you me, but she don't know. Oh me. Oh one of the psycho no me bipolar or me one. But one on Facebook wa fi no me. If she's sick. She's sick upstairs. Epa la wo. ave ma ya fefe ni wario wa we na be careful iya wi nyom aga fofu a uyo bogo ese na gbon ezeken yo iya no wa magbe ya si nwa awo se nu wa gba danyo filogo kwana o sare egwe mi no wegbe na kiaka disappoint we o umamie o se buna mie o jeme o se na gba danyo ya no mo ma o epa you didn't do anything wrong that why you anything wrong you are a vionu uma we not bad at least o yo mo bo siri ren o si eyin ren re o we ren ni ihe ya bu ne ren ni gin o si a ne ren gion ikata be do na wi yan ni gbiji vie o ni yan ve gbivie na o ma yan o we yan wo ga en bu se o gere ikiana da mere ge yo wa o ga bu se o gere ikiana da mere ge yo wa iviewe eboya fefefa ati atotanya suzi be dere ga on po eri ehia we no pa suzi uma mi rokpa madam azenero Facebook we ya fefefe mu bu ne suzi ya duko wa san ya duko wa van o so no Facebook ya fefe mu bu ne suzi Clara Ogbebo ya duko we ya duko wa van ya duko wo ta wa mudia we it zese we ma mi se so no it zon u zese we gbese wo we ni we wa zese we wa zese igo no ya ma igo no ya riera no ya we mi yoto moto we wa ya zese re yen gbere suzi eri egbo yan wi na dan no mu ya we Facebook ni re nu face life we ko benu ya ye boy be dare oni na ru that o we ne ba na wo wa popo ye boy o wa popo we awa zen wo so no re Facebook na o se no ya no te ya re sojo nu we de ni na ye be ya gbale sojo nu na ya re yo iya ari we me loki yan ma ye be yan ma re sojo no ni wa heart we movie nu we wo oge no azin are wai mu dai oso are wai mu dai o ma babe are wai ti zesi aye ta ye boy unu ewe wa kan seti de unu agbaka wa kan seti de unu agbo wa kan seti de wo gbe kemi ivie advice ni advice we because mad dog o we hin kita we hin ekita owe hin we ma we hune we ma yeye emi opa ni me hin said emi opa ni awa advice we eji ivie women ropa no we Facebook for the social media president in Taiban you don't have anything doing on Facebook if she did let me give her money the money where they sent come you see the money where they sent come give her but then send money come. No, now only that one. Then send money. Then send. Come, maybe you go receive am. Taiwo from Taiwo. You go receive am from Taiwo. Check am €50 from Taiwo. You understand? What am I trying to talk? What am I trying to say? If you women rock on Facebook, you are disgracing your personality. When a personality, you are disgracing your father, disgracing your family back home. If you go and miss psychiatric hospital, near drugs in when you are sick. Monica, ready for you and Ivie fight. Yeah, who tita Ivie when we rock by my secret, we ma begi manitalona. Manitalona maratalo maekeni mayate negbima. I'm telling you, I was there before. Eti me like well because we down we wa him Monica won susu no gbabe we wa him. But yen wa asia odion we no ragbon giodion we no remi. No ragbon even no hen reje gbe. I'm just pity for you. I'm pity for you. Abemo na wait. Hello Esther. Alpha. No worry me. I don't send them for your email now. Check your WhatsApp. I don't send them. I go ask them. But you see the one way they don't do. I go ask them. When I ask them, I'll call you back. What am I trying to say? You know? So, yen wa asia John we no ragbon ge no re mi no ragbon even no ya zo we. Monica, itama we na we gbera ni. Uwe bia ya ta we gbera ni. Uma bege odomame. Let me tell you something. Odoma me na yana do are business okpa a business in na groove nwokpa so okpa no ya groove mami de no kpa we ahi mi egbe wan bi ya back off maybe won no kpa ni o so business when a business we ya groove oga wa drop a glory we wa de yo talk bi we ma bega be Suzy na ye boy na ya ni te jealous we na ya real business we you were born because uma lo enwe a lolo was your cram. Lolo a cram. I'm saying this thing often and often. Lolo was your cram. Again, a lawyer, yeah, where Monica, who guys there, do they devote on my old land. I'm telling you, many people are really angry. Many people, they hate you with passion. They are really angry. They want to deal with you. So a secretary when now was an obey Lolo. A secretary a secretary way afefe was obey Lolo. O work pala dan we there oni. O we yan zese. O we tin yan zese. Ni aya destroy wa we Lolo. So we mari when I lad yan gbon. Ave ma ya afefe ni hetu wa we Lolo. Wa we Lolo was a big threat to a lot of people, a lot of presenters. You people we are a big threat to them all. But urudu unuwena unwe taprata nuwena unwe we pilot nuwe omaguwe ya gbogwe yegbe Monica, your cram have lost. You have lost it. It's not coming back again. A cram you were lost in no more saga again on Facebook because someone already we saga nana oyare baye lalagwe. Uma understand oyare go manare enwe bogbo ofe ko agada yo we gbebe ba ni o mana seti gbo transfer giveaway. Nene Suzy no yon money no kwel ayela la ona akpe bonege iwa temi na we woman na wakpe bonne Suzy o ma re talking amuye kiria iya mu we kiria ne Monica igo no tebe mi ya be do tiezo mu wa me 3000 view 4000 view agbaye ma bege even myself me tebe naked mu bogbo we ofone you won't see that anymore. It's gone. Maybe a YouTube na uki abegbe do ari go kere no keke we Facebook ofo, you know. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to tell you now, right now, beware of Ivie. Ivie is a threat to you now. Weti we ute security we my vie. Let me tell you, I'm not talkative okay. You are my type, but do you know my talkative now? The way when my learning my neni my yawe and a secret when I circulate, you beware of friends. You just beware of people that knows you. If I know him where you beware of them. Your only children is going to be your secret people. Or they marry or that for when I go because I keep a secret no one. It be so wrong dan you understand? And he have a sazenoroe. Wa temi ya atama we here when so I beg go be don marry wrong man marry. You start to tell your children. Or more they want more they gwale no they enegbe wo fe ko aka my secret way because the moment no te secret way my Ivie because I mean wa Ivie ule ni Ivie we de ba ko we donya wo ni sanyoto. Lolo was your best friend before but you betrayed her just because of your long mouth. Rudunu when I next stay ye kokbana. Me te wa we me be o me ne Lolo wa if you see wetin my best friend do me. If you see wetin my best friend do me. If you see wetin my best friend do me. But amagi me ne best friend we na mami koma. Amami me ne Lolo yari abegbe we na. We wa be jo wa mo be viere o me no mukhia no we otun no. Awe I wanna be sister no mukhia. My sister, you are going nowhere. You are going nowhere. Oh, too much be not in January or next year, February, no. Oh, we muela, jave no disgrace a pana. Ota, away a pare mofi face in Orion bar, or we have information on have your game of face. You know, stop paper. Many things no gajun where ya rock there now. You know? Many things ni me beg again gajun one where tie ruwene. Ah, my sister. My brother, my sister, you are a fool, big fool. Epa, udomo, eromo ogelehin because iga awe mi okpa begeni. We are moving like webo because omano wa gberagbiri ehin. Wa mu fun wa tije me. Ije o madam gbe mi yo won o, iyasa o, iye mi ka ma me we. O gbe mi yo wo ma se uto. ijimo ha o todo na ma mena madam wono na o rudigo ni ogele balo megbe ma oni asa iye me we madam gbo o masaya mu ebo gbo ohu ijomo no berego mo we mi dan ogbeladin o masejo mo no berego ma we mi dan okuye juo wa ari ya ni jin ga support ve anywhere pay o wono na o many of them have gone no man women no man maybe o mami o mo be let's be realistic. Ave in the destiny if you type a last video when you Jeffrey your way Jeffrey lads and whether we Mario wego or keke your wego keke lads and whether we Mario wego. So if you those things you are doing, you are fabricating. Who fabricating shoe? It's win away almost 2 years. A young winner with ya. Aviana a cycle or winner. Yameme. Emi no dey what think of that moment. Eyata. You understand? If you ukuomi because me mind well with Facebook or what like Facebook, it doesn't make any sense. Me mind have a supporter where maybe should have a supporter when you have a real bipolar when we because we may swari huna because we swari hun come. Okay, ma when you win we na ma vie uri winner. Or have a real do have strength in no here with live video. Egbo ma video no wa ma get me. She's not a baby. Or ta we 41 years in a year. Yeah, we full at 40 is full forever. Oh man, already 40 years. I think he say, "One more again. There's something under it, There is something under it. What doge Facebook ina ya fefefe na ya be Laura Ben. Ote wa agbo. Ishoge Laura Ben ni na ya rihun no ni la owa ne. But ye ma ti la owa because won rokpa. Era no agbo era ma era no ma mi na mari ge da ge okan mi strength ya ko bi e la wa. If you ma dera hu do ko mi. Mari go give era no yari bai o ma no ma eri bai no we are this e ti gbo wala gogo emi no wa khian we here na destiny o Maria be Esther o Maria be iya we ebo o ma ya se me yunwere and Esther ya we advise you na be careful of the kind of people that you close to. Be careful on the kind of people you talk secret to. Who make secret in utamoma oge no star. Okay, no, many people they are coming right now because there is saga. They want to make friends with you. My man will credit you with 500,000. They are making an art where they are informal. They want to collect secrets from you. People are bad. People are bad. Before I realized my own, it almost took me my life. But now I am private. Private is done. You nobody know anything about me. No, ya bere who anything about him. No lad and one ya bere even on my sister. I cut you off. I don't have any friends right now. On wakpa no hian lad and Facebook now we and now. Not 2 years ago, now I teach a secret. No, I have left them. They can answer me. He does on his ameno. Again, I see one way. Ose bunaze, nazi Jesu neo. Ose agbonize o, rockman mabove o. Niyazi Jesu ose, inadora me o gogo. Niyazo same ose o, edagbome fi weriene. You know people when you are going through difficult thing. E wan yen re asose. Iyan fige ti yan advice we, my sister run. Who won't say rockpa if you was say we ugagame lokuna married to a man of your heart na iti a gist with na iti wa me ball with. You are lucky. It's not everybody that have that kind of luck. My sister, if you ever that for when I got done on my marriage, no iti we gossip because they say run our way guy gossiper. He ain't so if you SF. You are lucky. Be on the queue with that your husband. Die ki e dagbon we ne wa be me begege odun dan o mare. My sister die ki e dagbon we die ni we ivi we ni u die ni ani adaji la wo ijo saloba ya begi we e ma ni ma say ma no seek man for now and lolo for you too. Be careful because na ma be na kwekin abie you are not my friend, you are not my enemy. Understand? Kobene Monica ya so atie bono. I just love you because he like him and he reserve. Him and he reserve him only ya was said. You are so reserved and matured. He will love you. Before I don't wash you, I ate you and Monica together. But since the Monica do ya oppress you, you know do beg way since April Monica gele oppress you. I love you, darling. These periods, I know that A period now is a very, very difficult period for you, but be careful who come to your mail to pretend as he or she is your friend. Omama okajigo nwenu mieke na enwi like iwe. Igo ni noja nweni okan ya gather information do daweji. I'm telling you, again, when Monica na aku, you hold secret to her, and she holds secret to you because I mean, say no, kuna de secret jima. Be careful, Lolo. As I'm telling you now, I'm telling you out of my experience. Be careful those people that pretend that they are talking to you. Be careful. Degboeji kakabo because wa degboeji emani lelewe ku yana bewe wume ho nisa o ilo yake fi gbere no ba we yan ko fi gbere sef oge yan atan yan mediri hitin ni ata. Be careful. Oni wa tayo we lolo ivie wume mi nu we live video la wa you are constitute nuisance on Facebook. O cause a nuisance in Facebook e gbe ma ide value o pe na ri we na o pe ani yan wa wu. If you pack well, la wa, omorokpa ma need explanation where view, omorokpa ma need you where. Go and take your medication because we are the na no ma vie vi we no ma vie no de ade na no ke yare live video. Asona are na osun e pa social then e pa social media na mo gbe egboto nu we kini ke pa social media mo dia yiwe amu dia joa. Eru kaya bunyare ruwe ya bu mommy bire. Mommy o oni na si we ke gbe ni si we ke gbo no na kan yon. Oh man, no love. When imagine ovi me na we mi dana. It you me be koko ovi me ya beg on na. You understand? Otie wanna love you. Otie when we are beg destiny. Let ma tie we destiny we saga. Tie born destiny. Oh I tie born na ya mo bogbu o ma kaipa. O ma kaipa. So what are we trying to say? What are we not talking about? If you are a bastard. One more, I know where I'm not be aware at all. Enogi, always so a good weapon. Monica, why are ready? Why ready? If you know me, if you know no vada, a where them when, Eria yari bebore, Eria yari nok pare, Eria yari nok pare, gay, and what do we doni, Kakamuwa, and what do we doni. Waga gbe komani megele love yen true to God o mani mana on de ma o den wa dowo edoni 3 months e boni on you wa ya polori o gbelu wa kwa en wa dowo edoni me China we bonore do yan yo je ni most of them ya o most of them o wa na ye boya ko ya ge ya ti ebo ge ya ti ezo ba we ye lala because when gi mu wa yan wo ma mu bijo visual o bi ra mo anwe. I'm telling you, if you change from your evil way, Edimofi ubege na my daughter ayegbe gbese ne. O ma wa bye bye. Ciao.